Faith is the most personal thing a person has, yet it is not a private matter. Anyone who wants to believe must be able to say both I and we, because faith you cannot share and communicate would be irrational. Greetings of peace, my dear friends. I hope you're doing fine today. And welcome to our weekly online catechesis. What does my faith have to do with the church? That's question number 24, taken from the book titled Youth Catechism of the Catholic Church. The Catechism answers it this way: no one can believe alone and by himself, just as no one can live alone and by himself. We receive the faith from the church and live it out in fellowship with the people in whom we share our faith. Faith is the most personal thing a person has, yet it is not a private matter. Anyone who wants to believe must be able to say both I and we, because faith you cannot share and communicate would be irrational. The individual believer gives his free assent to the we believe of the church. From her, he received the faith. She was the one who handed it down through the centuries, and then to him, preserved it from falsifications, and caused it to shine forth again and again. Believing is therefore participation in a common conviction. The faith of others supports me, just as the fervor of my faith enkindles and strengthens others. The church emphasizes the I and the we of faith by using two professions of faith in her liturgies: the Apostles' Creed, the creed that begins I believe, credo, and the Great Creed of Nicaea, Constantinople, which in its original form starts with the words we believe, credimus. Creed from the Latin credo, I believe, the first word of the Apostles' Creed, became the name of various formulas of the Church's profession of faith, in which the essential contents of the faith are authoritatively summarized. Thus, St. Augustine of Hippo said, "No one can arrive at the knowledge of divine and human things unless he has previously and thoroughly learned mathematics." An Italian mathematician, philosopher, and physicist, Galileo Galilei, added, "Mathematics is the alphabet with which God wrote the world." Lastly, in Matthew chapter 18, verse 20, Jesus said, "Where two or three are gathered in my name, there am I in the midst of them." Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I advise you to share it and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.